Today I am reviewing the APC 1500-VA Smart-UPS with SmartConnect. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Once installed in a rack, the first thing you notice is how solid and purposeful the build feels. At 2U, it fits cleanly into standard racks, and the included rails make installation far less painful than many rack-mount power devices. It doesn't flex, rattle, or feel lightweight in a way that would make you question its longevity. This is important because a UPS often sits untouched for months or years, quietly waiting for the moment it's actually needed. The SMC 1500-2UC inspires confidence that when that moment arrives, it won't hesitate. In real-world operation, the pure sine wave output makes a meaningful difference, especially if you're powering sensitive electronics like servers, NAS units, networking gear, or modern power supplies. During power outages and brownouts, connected equipment continues to operate smoothly without odd noises, instability, or compatibility issues. This clean power delivery becomes especially valuable with active PFC power supplies, which can behave unpredictably on cheaper simulated sine wave units. Here, everything stays calm and controlled, which is exactly what you want during an outage. Automatic voltage regulation is another feature that proves its worth over time rather than all at once. Instead of constantly switching to battery during minor voltage fluctuations, the UPS corrects high and low input voltage in real time. In areas with unstable power, this dramatically reduces battery wear and extends overall battery life. You can actually feel the difference over months of use, as the system isn't cycling batteries unnecessarily. This makes the UPS quieter, more efficient, and more reliable in the long run. Battery runtime is well balanced for its class. At 1500 VA or 900 watts, it provides enough headroom to safely shut down multiple devices or keep essential systems running long enough to bridge short outages. It's not trying to be a long-duration power station, and that honesty in design is refreshing. Instead, it focuses on doing exactly what it's meant to do: provide stable, immediate backup power and protect equipment while giving you time to respond intelligently. SmartConnect is where this UPS starts to feel modern rather than old school. Once connected and registered, remote monitoring becomes genuinely useful. You receive notifications about power events, battery status, and system health without needing additional network cards or complex configuration. For administrators managing multiple systems or remote installations, this visibility adds real value. The fact that firmware updates and diagnostics are integrated into the platform reduces maintenance friction and makes the UPS feel like part of a managed infrastructure rather than an isolated box sitting in a rack. Noise levels are also worth mentioning. During normal operation, the UPS remains quiet enough to live in an office or server room without becoming a distraction. Fans ramp up only when necessary, and even then the sound is controlled rather than harsh. This matters in mixed-use environments where servers and networking gear share space with people. The warranty and connected equipment protection policy add another layer of reassurance. Knowing that both the unit and the battery are covered and that connected equipment is protected up to a substantial amount reinforces the sense that this UPS is designed for serious use cases. The additional battery warranty for SmartConnect registration is not just a marketing perk, it's a practical incentive that aligns with how the product is meant to be used. Over time, what stands out most about the APC SMC1500-2UC is consistency. It doesn't demand attention, it doesn't surprise you, and it doesn't fail quietly. When power conditions are good, it stays invisible. When power conditions deteriorate, it steps in instantly and does exactly what it's supposed to do. That reliability is what separates a professional UPS from a basic battery backup. For anyone running servers, networking equipment, or critical workstations in a rack environment, this UPS feels like a foundational component rather than an accessory. It protects hardware, preserves uptime, and reduces operational stress in a way that only becomes more valuable the longer you own it. The APC 1500-VA Smart-UPS with SmartConnect doesn't try to impress with flashy features. Instead, it earns trust through steady performance, intelligent power management, and thoughtful design, which is precisely why it stands as a dependable solution from APC.